Hey, this is JP again down at Nemer Volkswagen, 550 Troy Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this wonderful 2014 Jeep Cherokee Limited. This all-wheel drive SUV comes with a 2.4-liter Tiger Shark engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission with driver-selectable modes and sequential shift control. You get 21 miles per gallon in the city, 28 miles per gallon on the highway, front and rear suspension with coil springs and trailer sway control towing equipment, electronic stability control with roll stability control, select terrain, ABS and driveline traction control, aux and USB input with Bluetooth connectivity, park view backup camera and navigation system, heated leathered seats and steering wheel, wireless charging pad, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.